Hey everyone, today I will tell you how to use Para with Uber Eats. First, visit the official website or download the Para app and sign up for an account if required. Verify if Para is compatible with Uber Eats. Review the documentation or information provided by Para to understand how it integrates with Uber Eats. Then follow the instructions provided by Para to link your Uber Eats driver account with their platform. This may involve logging in to your Uber Eats account through the Para platform. Para may have specific steps or settings that you need to configure within their platform to enable the integration with Uber Eats. Follow these steps carefully. After the integration is set up, conduct some test transaction to ensure that Para is properly working with Uber Eats and that any features or functionalities are functioning as expected. As services and features can change, it's important to check for updates from both Para and Uber Eats. Look for any new feature improvements or changes that may impact the integration. And that's how use Para with Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.